When working with large assemblies, view manipulation is vital to a good user experience, and over the years SOLIDWORKS has worked hard to optimize view manipulations on the screen. For instance, large assembly mode will disable model edges, shadows, real view, and more. The level of detail is set to fast, which removes small components during view changes. These optimizations make view manipulation fast, but come at the expense of visual appeal. When better visual quality is desired, large assembly mode can be disabled, but graphics performance is sacrificed. SOLIDWORKS 2019 changes the game. View manipulations are lightning fast, even with large assembly mode turned off. In a side-by-side comparison, you can clearly see the improvement. Dynamic view operations such as zoom, pan, and rotate are dramatically faster. Users see less dropped frames or that chunkiness when rotating large models. More of the graphics calculations are now done on the graphics card, providing much better performance. In fact, SOLIDWORKS now scales with graphics card hardware, allowing users to further accelerate dynamic performance with higher-end graphics cards. The new Graphics Performance Boost in SOLIDWORKS 2019 provides a better user experience when working with large assemblies.